In this part, I'll be explaining about Booleans in C. Okay, so we need to know that C does not have a built-in Boolean type in all the standards. Okay, like C89 or C90. Okay, so Booleans, before I start, let me explain what a Boolean is. Okay, Booleans are just values of true or false. Okay, it is just the use of true and false values. Okay, so as I say that C, older versions of C does not include the Booleans. Okay, Boolean types are not there. Okay, it doesn't have built-in Boolean types. Okay, so but starting from the C99, C introduced the underscore bool type, okay, which you can include using the hashtag include, this one, okay, the hashtag include the preprocessor, and then you include the standard bool, okay, header file, okay, library, okay, like that, okay. So and now here, before we include it, let me first remove it. As you can see, so at first we can use Booleans because we know that true stands for 1, okay? 1 is for true, and then 0 for what? For false, okay? We could use like admin, we could say that it is equals to 1, then this one becomes true, and you can use false by just setting admin to be 0, like that, okay. So you cannot use like true like as in other programming languages, okay. You cannot use it, okay. But after the introduction of after even the data type, okay, so for instance, if this is 5, even the data type of bool was not there. Okay, as you can see, we don't have bool. Okay, we don't have bool for Booleans. Okay, that data type is not there. Okay, so but after the introduction of C99, the underscore bool type, okay, was introduced. Okay, so let us include it. Let us include it using the hashtag. Using the hashtag include preprocessor directive. Then here we want to include the stdbool.h, like that. Okay, hashtag include, like that. Okay, so we can include it like that. Then we can come here, instead of having, then here we can come here, and then we test if we have our bool. Okay, as you can see, we now have the bool data type, okay, there. Okay, as you can see, bool keyword is there. Then here the bool, let us set admin. Then here we can get access to true keywords. As you can see, we have now true, we have true there. As you can see, we have it now. Even the false is there. As you can see, we have it, we have them. Okay, but you should know that these ones are not data type. Okay, they just stand there. They're like they're like constants. Okay, this false is for 1. Okay, so let us try to print it out. Let us try to print the integer value of admin. Okay, admin, we are going to see that we are going to get a 1 out. Okay, so if we try to compile, I'm using GCC, and then I try to run. As you can see, we get 0 out. Okay, so if I try to change this one to be true, and then I try to run, try to compile. Let me wait for a little bit. I try to compile and then run. As you can see, we get 1 out. Okay, we get 1. So we can use bool and true keywords, true and the true, even the false keyword, by just first including this header file, this library. Okay, the stdbool.h library. Okay, so we can now start using Booleans.